What happened ka jing khang la jo ka klam covid khat khandai hakini ki ar Snem balalet ki no hikai ki lahab ban pen kre ki kina school hakru kom ka bakir pang manyale ka ni ka eksamin wat la kam long shu kumba julong haki Snem ki balalet shabanwan ka klam ki no hikai be ki kina school ki lahab ban durot pat ban yo khet ye ki so ka jing job kat kum ka jing ken bala ai da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education ki don ar pusan hajar lai spa sa punyongut ki kina Shynrang but lai polai hajar ar spa nyo puprangut ki kina Kynthei ki ban ya konya kane ka eksamin ka jing to eksamin ha Shillong region ki don pra punyo tali kat ba hatura region ki don riu posan tali Bayakran Bakadon Bosco Media Network is Sister Modesta Kongpai, Principal ka St. Gabriel High Secondary School, ilai ku blay ki kena bakin leb hai ki eksamin jonki da ka jing treshi tom wat la kam long ka basuk ban pa senre ki nya chakmat da ka jing shlur.
The SSLC examination 2022, we have around 559 students appearing in our center, in which around 12 schools, including St. Gabriel, answering from this center. This year, we have got the total number of 228 students appearing for board exam. Out of this number, we have got 124 boys and 104 girls. Dear students of class 10, I wish you all the best in your exam, and I just want to tell you that exam is only a test to prove your best. When we look at our life is also an exam. Sometimes we pass or we succeed, or sometimes we fail. But all that you and I have to do is we keep on trying. So keep on learning, because that will help for your life and your future. I wish the very best for all of you.